Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Block Blast version. So in order to do it, you first have to launch your Block Blast game, and here you need to tap on the classic mode and then tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see this more settings option, so you need to tap on more settings, and here it will show you the latest version of your Block Blast game. Like currently I'm using the version of 6.4.1, so this is my latest version. So if you want to change your Block Blast version, all you need to do is to simply tap on Google Play Store or App Store icon, or you need to come into Google Play Store or App Store, and here you need to simply search for Block Blast. Now once you see any update option over here, you just have to simply tap on the update option so that your game could update, and then it will change your Block Blast version. Basically it will upgrade it. If you want to downgrade it, what you can do is you can simply tap over here and you can see the older version, and you can go to their official website, and from there you can download the older versions if you want to. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.